I'm filming.
Dog turd around.
Moving at Z. Crank up the spindle. What RPM are you at?
1200 right now.
Sounds really smooth. Sounds really quiet. Have you ever replaced the bearing assembly in the spindle?
In the spindle, no. The only thing we've had to do on this thing is
rebuild the turret.
yeah, we did the turret, and then as far as the turret goes, there's a barrel faulty turret, and we've had to replace the drive on that thing.
Okay.
One time. It's marathon machinery is who does it.
Okay. What RPM are you at now? You said it goes up to 4,500?
35, I believe.
35?
I've never run it up that high.
Okay. What's its bar capacity, do you know?
3-inch, I believe.
3-inch?
Yeah.
I think I have all the specs on it on my ad. Pretty sure I do.